This is P-Jam 3 Philosophical Tragedies. Don't let the tragedy beset you. July 4th, 2007. Our apartment building over there. You hear some kid crying and whining, like normal. They're supposed to have fireworks off of some roof over there tonight. Step, left, right, left. Look at all them things he can play in. Closer look. Stinks of the heads. I'm assuming that this was made for families with kids, huh? Because that's what most of it's here is for kids. I don't know what this thing is. Oh, rock climbing thing. We're going to put that up later. Food court where I had a chicken hot dog. Not bad. Kind of spicy. Getting a little more crowded out of here. July 4th, 2007. It is now around 6:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It was kind of dead today. People are starting to pick up. The more crowded park. Whoa. Dun 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 dun. Corn on the cob. Look how many people are out here now. This park is crowded. It's a lot more crowded than it usually is, that's for sure. This is usually a couple people here, a couple people there. You got people in tents out here. Remember we were out here earlier? Now look at all these people. I'm like freaking out. We're looking at the fire truck coming, ambulance. That's funny. All the kids are going to get their free hats. Their free ambulance hat. There you go.
Hi, Dave.
Face painting. Now we're into the trenches. Boom, look at all these people.
Neighboring cities to create myparksandrecreation.com. Residents of these cities can find and register for parks and recreation programs in one place. Bellevue's expertise with GIS or Geographic Information Systems is exceptional service and stewardship. Connecting pearls on a string, that's what Bellevue Parks and Services is all about.
Look at all the people waiting in line for the ATM machine. It's getting close to fireworks time now. Look at all these people. Look at this madhouse. Everybody waiting in line for the ATM, waiting in line for food. They're just cross. Where you going? You gonna wait that long?
Do you want something else to eat too? Would you eat fries?
Okay, I don't want to buy anything.
Getting close. Bellevue, July 4th, 2007. 9:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. July 4th, 2007. Hey, that's it.